Greetings. Welcome to the podcast. The topic is Artificial Intelligence and Automation in Business Sandwiches, Coffee, and the Future of Work. Imagine walking into the office on a Monday morning. Instead of emails piling up, AI has already drafted responses for you. Instead of manually reviewing your calendar, an AI assistant has streamlined your day. Meanwhile, the automated coffee machine knows your order and brews it perfectly as you walk by. That's not the future, it's happening now. Welcome to this episode where we unpack how artificial intelligence and automation are transforming businesses and making work smarter, not harder. It was a typical Monday morning at Techtropolis, the bustling office of a mid-sized startup specializing in cloud services. Sarah, the team lead in the IT department, grabbed her usual coffee from the break room. As she sipped, she noticed something curious. Instead of the usual chatter about weekend plans or new software bugs, people were talking about sandwiches. "Have you seen the new AI sandwich maker in the kitchen?" Mike from marketing asked as he took a seat beside her. "It's not just making sandwiches, it's optimizing them based on our preferences. I got a chicken and avocado with extra mayo. It remembered exactly what I liked from last time." Sarah chuckled, thinking about how AI had revolutionized everything, even something as mundane as lunch. "You know, this AI and automation thing is really taking over," she said, motioning toward the coffee machine, which had recently been upgraded to automatically brew the perfect cup based on individual preferences. "Between the sandwiches, coffee, and project management tools, I sometimes feel like the office itself is running on algorithms." A few desks away, Jamal from HR was experimenting with an AI-driven software that analyzed workplace trends and productivity. It had recently identified that the team worked most efficiently between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m., after which their energy levels dropped. The software suggested scheduling all major meetings and brainstorming sessions in that 2-hour window. "This AI is literally telling us when to do our best work," Jamal said, shaking his head in amazement. As Sarah looked around, it hit her artificial intelligence and automation in business weren't just shaping their workdays, they were becoming the backbone of their office culture. The future of work was here, and it wasn't just about fancy tools. It was about creating an environment where efficiency, creativity, and even lunch breaks were optimized. Sandwiches, coffee, and automation, the new power trio. Meet Alex, a small business owner managing a thriving online store. Alex struggled with inventory tracking, order fulfillment, and responding to endless customer queries. Enter automation. Using AI-powered tools, Alex set up a system that monitored inventory levels, suggested restocking patterns, and even handled customer FAQs through a chatbot. Within 6 months, Alex saw a 30% reduction in errors and a 45% increase in customer satisfaction. The best part? The time saved allowed Alex to launch a new product line, driving revenue up by 60%. Let's talk about Lisa, an HR manager in a bustling company. Her team struggled with employee retention and morale. One lunchtime, over sandwiches and coffee, someone suggested analyzing past exit interviews using AI. The insights were startling. Employees were leaving due to unaddressed growth opportunities. Within weeks, the team implemented targeted training programs based on AI analysis. The result? Employee turnover dropped by 20%, and engagement levels soared. A casual brainstorming session combined with AI created a lasting impact. John runs a logistics company and faced a crisis when unexpected weather conditions delayed shipments during the holiday season. Using AI-driven predictive analytics, his team rerouted trucks in real time, avoiding traffic and weather obstacles. Not only did deliveries stay on track, but customer satisfaction ratings hit an all-time high. This wasn't just logistics, it was AI making the impossible possible. Susan, a marketing manager, struggled with running effective ad campaigns. Her team couldn't identify which audience segments to target or which creative ideas performed best. She implemented an AI-driven platform that analyzed customer behavior and automatically optimized ads in real time. Within 3 months, ad engagement rates doubled, and cost per click dropped by 40%. AI not only saved Susan's job but made her a superstar in the company. AI saving the assembly line. In a manufacturing plant, a sudden machinery breakdown caused delays. Traditional troubleshooting took hours, but an AI-powered predictive maintenance tool flagged the issue in advance and recommended a quick fix. The result? A potential 12-hour halt turned into a 20-minute pause, saving thousands of dollars in production costs. AI didn't just fix the problem, it anticipated it. Raj runs a growing e-commerce store specializing in handmade jewelry. By integrating AI-powered recommendations on his website, customers now see personalized suggestions based on their browsing history and preferences. Sales skyrocketed as customers discovered more items they loved, with a 25% increase in average order value. Automation wasn't just smart, it was charming customers one click at a time. Monica, an HR executive, was drowning in resumes for an open position. Screening hundreds of applications manually was inefficient, so she turned to AI. With an AI-based recruitment tool, she shortlisted top candidates in minutes based on job-specific criteria, reducing hiring time by 70%. Monica used the extra time to focus on onboarding strategies, ensuring new hires were set up for success. Tom, a CFO, needed accurate financial forecasts to secure investor confidence. Using AI tools, he analyzed historical data and identified hidden patterns, enabling precise predictions about revenue growth and market trends. When competitors faced unexpected losses, Tom's company thrived, thanks to AI-guided strategic planning. Viewers' FAQs. Will AI replace jobs entirely? Not entirely. AI excels at automating repetitive tasks, freeing employees to focus on creativity, strategy, and human interaction. Is AI affordable for small businesses? Yes. With cloud-based AI tools, small businesses can automate operations without heavy upfront costs. Options like chatbots, inventory management systems, and data analytics platforms are affordable and scalable. What industries benefit most from AI and automation? While every industry can leverage AI, leaders include healthcare, logistics, e-commerce, manufacturing, and customer service. How secure is AI technology for businesses? With advancements in cybersecurity, AI platforms are increasingly robust. Opt for tools with encrypted data storage and regular security updates. Can AI be customized for specific business needs? Absolutely. Most AI tools offer customizable features tailored to unique business operations and goals. Tips and best practices. Start small, begin by automating one key process, such as customer support or invoicing. Measure ROI, focus on solutions with measurable benefits like cost savings, time efficiency, or customer satisfaction. Involve employees, provide training to help your team adapt to AI tools and see them as a support system, not a replacement. Stay updated, AI evolves rapidly, keep an eye on emerging tools and trends. Ensure compliance. Stay compliant with data privacy laws like GDPR and ensure your tools meet local regulations. Disclaimer. This content is for informational purposes only. Always consult a professional for advice tailored to your specific business needs. Ensure compliance with local laws and platform regulations.